Hello, remedial focus. University entrance examination, remedial biology model questions. These questions prepared from remedial biology, unit for microorganisms. These questions are very important for remedial and grade 12 students. I am Dr. Alamayo from Warabe University. Stay with me. Choose the best answer from the given alternatives. Question number 1. Which of the following best defines microorganisms? A. Large animals visible to naked eye. B. Very small living organisms seen only under microscope. C. Non-living particles in air. D. Dead organic matter. The answer is B. Very small living organisms seen only under microscope. Because microorganisms are living organisms that are too small to be seen without microscope. They include bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoa, and algae. Question number 2. Why are viruses considered different from bacteria? A. They are multicellular. B. They can reproduce independently. C. They require a host cell to reproduce. D. They are visible to naked eye. The answer is C. They require a host cell to reproduce because viruses cannot reproduce on their own. They need to infect a host cell and use its machinery to multiply, unlike bacteria, which can reproduce independently. Question number 3. Which microorganism is commonly used in bread making? A. Virus. B. Yeast. C. Amoeba. D. Algae. The answer is B. Yeast, because yeast is a fungus used in fermentation. It produces carbon dioxide, which makes bread dough rise. Question number 4. Which group includes single-celled organisms? A. Fungi only. B. Only plants. C. Only viruses. D. Bacteria and protozoa. The answer is D. Bacteria and protozoa. Because bacteria and protozoa are mostly unicellular organisms, meaning they consist of a single cell. Question number 5. If milk is left at room temperature, it turns sour due to A. Fungi. B. Bacteria. C. Algae. D. Virus. The answer is B. Bacteria, because bacteria multiply in milk and convert lactose into lactic acid, causing souring. Question number 6. Why do antibiotics not work against viruses? A. Virus lack cellular structure. B. Viruses are too large. C. Antibiotics are too weak. D. Viruses are plenty. The answer is A. Viruses lack cellular structure because antibiotics target bacterial cell structures. Viruses do not have cells, so antibiotics cannot affect them. Question number 7. Which is the safest method to kill harmful microorganisms in medical tools? A. Cooling. B. Sterilization. C. Freezing. D. Drying. The answer is B. Sterilization, because sterilization destroys all microorganisms, including spores, making tools completely safe. Question number 8. Which microorganism causes malaria? A. Bacteria. B. Virus. C. Protozoa. D. Fungus. The answer is C, which is protozoa, because malaria is caused by Plasmodium, which is a protozoan parasite transmitted by mosquito. Question number 9. Which is a beneficial microorganism? A. Plasmodium. B. Salmonella. C. HIV. D. Lactobacillus. The answer is D, which is Lactobacillus, because Lactobacillus is a useful bacterium used in yogurt production and digestion support. Question number 10. Hand washing helps prevent disease because it A. Kills viruses only. B. Removes microorganisms. C. Creates immunity. D. Increases bacteria. The answer is B. Removes microorganisms, because soap and water remove and destroy many microorganisms from hands, reducing infection risk. Question number 11. Why do bacteria reproduce quickly in warm, moist conditions? A. Ideal environmental conditions. B. Lack of nutrients. C. Cold slow growth. D. Lack of oxygen. The answer is A. Ideal environmental conditions, because warmth and moisture provide ideal conditions for bacterial enzymes to function efficiently, thus increasing reproduction. Question number 12. Which microorganism is used in yogurt production? A. Virus. B. Bacteria. C. Protozoa. D. Algae. The answer is B. Bacteria, because lactic acid bacteria ferment milk to produce yogurt. Question number 13. Which disease is caused by a virus? A. Tuberculosis. B. Malaria. C. Influenza. D. Cholera. The answer is C, which is influenza, because influenza or flu is caused by a virus affecting the respiratory system. Question number 14. Why is boiling water safe for drinking? A. Adds oxygen. B. Kills microorganisms. C. Increases minerals. D. Changes color. The answer is B. Kills microorganisms, because boiling destroys harmful microorganisms in water. Question number 15. Which is the most effective way to prevent food spoilage? A. Leaving uncovered. B. Exposure to air. C. Adding sugar only. D. Refrigeration. The answer is D. Refrigeration, because low temperatures slow microbial growth, reducing spoilage. Question number 16. Fungi reproduce mainly by A. Seeds. B. Spores. C. Eggs. D. Budding only in animals. The answer is B, which is spores, because fungi produce spores that spread and grow into new organisms. Question number 17. Why do infected wounds swell and become red? A. Increased oxygen. B. Water loss. C. Immune response to microorganisms. D. Sugar accumulation. The answer is C. Immune response to microorganisms, because the immune system reacts to invading microorganisms, causing inflammation. Question number 18. Which is a vector of disease? A. Air. B. Mosquito. C. Soil. D. Water. The answer is B, which is mosquito, because mosquitoes transmit diseases like malaria and dengue. Question number 19. Which process is used to make alcohol? A. Fermentation. B. Photosynthesis. C. Respiration. D. Digestion. The answer is A, which is fermentation, because yeast ferments sugar to produce alcohol and carbon dioxide. Question number 20. Algae are mainly A. Multicellular animals. B. Parasites. C. Viruses. D. Photosynthetic microorganisms. The answer is D. Photosynthetic microorganisms, because algae contain chlorophyll and produce food through photosynthesis. Question number 21. Why are antibiotics ineffective against viral infection? A. Viruses have thick cell walls that block antibiotics. B. Antibiotics are too small to enter viral particles. C. Viruses lack metabolic machinery targeted by antibiotics. D. Viruses produce enzymes that destroy antibiotics. The answer is C. Viruses lack metabolic machinery targeted by antibiotics because viruses do not have their own cellular or metabolic machinery. Antibiotics work by targeting bacterial structures and processes such as cell wall synthesis, protein synthesis, or metabolic pathway. Since viruses rely entirely on host cells for reproduction and lack these targets, antibiotics have no effect on them. Question number 22. Suggest a method to preserve food without refrigeration. A. Add salt. B. Add water. C. Keep open. D. Increase warmth. The answer is A, which is add salt, because salt removes water needed for microbial growth. Question number 23. Which is the best reason for using vaccines? A. Cure disease instantly. B. Prevent infections. C. Increase bacteria. D. Replace antibiotics. The answer is B. Prevent infections, because vaccine stimulates immunity before infection occurs. Question number 24. Why do antibiotics lose effectiveness over time? A. Overuse causes resistance. B. They expire quickly. C. They become food. D. Microbes disappear. The answer is A. Overuse causes resistance because bacteria evolve resistant when antibiotics are misused. Question number 25. Which of the following is the best method to reduce the spread of microorganisms in the school? A. Closing all windows and doors. B. Sharing water bottles among students. C. Regular hand washing and cleaning of classrooms. D. Increasing dust and dirt in classrooms. The answer is C, which is reducing hand washing, regular hand washing and cleaning of classrooms. Because regular hand washing removes microorganisms from hands, and cleaning classroom reduces their presence in the environment. Together, these practices effectively reduce the spread of infectious microorganisms in schools. Question number 26. Why do microorganisms grow faster in sugary foods like jam? A. Sugar kills microbes. B. Sugar provides energy for growth. C. Sugar removes water completely. D. Sugar cools food. The answer is B. Sugar provides energy for growth because sugar provides an energy source for microorganisms, but in high concentration, it can also preserve food by reducing water availability. Question number 27. What is the best way to prevent malaria? A. Drink clean water. B. Stay in cold places. C. Eat antibiotics. D. Avoid mosquito bites. The answer is D. Avoid mosquito bites because malaria is transmitted by mosquitoes. So preventing bites reduces infection. Question number 28. Which statement is true about beneficial bacteria? A. They always cause disease. B. They help digestion and food production. C. They destroy plants. D. They are all harmful. The answer is B, which is they help digestion and food production because beneficial bacteria support digestion and are used in food industries like yogurt production. Question number 29. Why are hospitals sterilized regularly? A. To increase bacteria. B. To make rooms warm. C. To remove pathogens. D. To attract patients. The answer is C, which is to remove pathogens because sterilization removes harmful microorganisms to prevent infections. Question number 30. Which condition slows down microbial growth in food? A. Warm temperature. B. Moisture. C. Refrigeration. D. Air exposure. The answer is C. Refrigeration because low temperature slows enzyme activity in microorganisms, reducing growth. Question number 31. Why do antibiotics not affect common cold? A. Cold is caused by bacteria. B. Cold is caused by virus. C. Antibiotics are food. D. Cold is fungal. The answer is B. Cold is caused by virus because common cold is caused by viruses. So antibiotics are ineffective against common cold. Question number 32. Which method is most effective in preventing disease spread? A. Sharing utensils. B. Eating fast food. C. Avoiding sleep. D. Washing hands regularly. The answer is D. Washing hands regularly because hand washing removes pathogens and prevents transmission. Question number 33. Which microorganism is used in cheese production? A. Bacteria. B. Virus. C. Protozoa. D. Algae. The answer is A, which is bacteria, because bacteria ferment milk proteins to produce cheese. Question number 34. Why do wounds heal faster when kept clean? A. Microbes are needed. B. Reduced microbial infection. C. Increased bacteria. D. Increased dirt. The answer is B, reduced microbial infection, because clean wounds prevent infection and support healing. Question number 35. Design a simple experiment to show microbial growth. A. Place bread in two containers, one open, one sealed. Observe mold growth. B. Boil bread in water and observe color change over time. C. Freeze bread in both containers and compare texture change. D. Wash bread with soap and observe if it becomes softer. The answer is A, which is place bread in two containers, one open, one sealed, then observe mold growth. Because the open container allows exposure to air, where microorganisms such as mold spores are present, leading to faster microbial growth. The sealed container limits exposure, so less or slower growth occurs, demonstrating that microbes from the environment causes spoilage. Question number 36. Which is not a role of microorganisms? A. Food production. B. Disease causing. C. Oxygen production. D. Building houses. The answer is D. Building houses, because microorganisms are involved in food, disease, and oxygen cycles, but not construction. Question number 37. Why does yogurt form from milk? A. Freezing process. B. Bacterial fermentation. C. Heating only. D. Evaporation. The answer is B. Bacterial fermentation, because bacteria convert lactose into lactic acid, forming yogurt. Question number 38. Which practice reduces food poisoning? A. Eating raw meat. B. Leaving food open. C. Proper cooking. D. Reusing dirty water. The answer is C. Proper cooking, because cooking kills harmful microorganisms in food. Question number 39. Which microorganism is most dangerous to humans? A. Yeast. B. Lactobacillus. C. Algae. D. Pathogenic bacteria. The answer is D. Pathogenic bacteria, because pathogenic bacteria cause serious diseases like cholera and tuberculosis. Question number 40. Why do antibiotics not kill all bacteria in the body? A. Some bacteria are useful. B. All bacteria are viruses. C. Antibiotics increases bacteria. D. Body destroys antibiotics. The answer is A. Some bacteria are useful, because some bacteria are beneficial and necessary for digestion. Question number 41. Which is a biological control method in agriculture? A. Chemical pesticides. B. Using natural predators. C. Burning crops. D. Flooding fields. The answer is B. Using natural predators, because natural predators control pests without harming the environment. Question number 42. Which is the best reason to use probiotics? A. Increase disease. B. Kill all bacteria. C. Improve gut health. D. Reduce immunity. The answer is C. Improve gut health, because probiotics contain beneficial bacteria that improve digestion. Question number 43. Why are viruses considered non-living outside a host? A. They breathe. B. They cannot reproduce independently. C. They eat food. D. They move freely. The answer is B. They cannot reproduce independently, because viruses need a host cell to reproduce. So, outside the host, they are inactive. Question number 44. Which method is used in water purification? A. Filtration and chlorination. B. Freezing. C. Adding sugar. D. Heating air. The answer is A. Filtration and chlorination, because filtration removes particles and chlorine kills microorganisms. Question number 45. Which is the best explanation for food spoilage? A. Growth of microorganisms. B. Cooling of food. C. Addition of salt. D. Dry air only. The answer is A. Growth of microorganisms, because microorganisms break down food, causing spoilage. Question number 46. Why are fungi important in nature? A. Cause only disease. B. Decompose organic matter. C. Produce plastic. D. Stop decomposition. The answer is B. Decompose organic matter, because fungi act as decomposers, recycling nutrients in ecosystem. Question number 47. Which microorganisms help us in nitrogen fixation? A. Virus. B. Algae. C. Protozoa. D. Rhizobium bacteria. The answer is D, Rhizobium bacteria, because Rhizobium bacteria live in plant roots and convert nitrogen into usable forms. Question number 48. Why is overuse of antibiotics dangerous? A. Increases immunity. B. Causes resistance. C. Kills viruses. D. Improves digestion. The answer is B. Causes resistance, because overuse leads to antibiotic resistant bacteria. Question number 49. Why do some bacteria survive boiling? A. They form spores. B. They are viruses. C. They are plants. D. They need light. The answer is A. They form spores, because some bacteria form spores that resist heat and harsh conditions. Question number 50. Which of the following is the best school-based strategy to reduce the spread of disease caused by microorganisms? A. Allow students to share personal items freely. B. Encourage hand washing, clean water use, and proper sanitation practices. C. Keep classroom closed and unventilated all day. D. Avoid teaching students about hygiene. The answer is B. Encourage hand washing, clean water use, and proper sanitation practices, because promoting hand washing, using clean water, and maintaining proper sanitation are effective preventative strategies. This action reduces the tension of harmful microorganisms and help control infectious disease in a school environment. That is all about for today's video. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you. See you in the next video.